What up, mathletes? Whoop, whoop. All right. This is the Math 2 Review Test 3. All right. So let's look at this. Let's get ready for this. In the scale drawing of a painting, 1 centimeter equals 7 inches. Okay. So in the scale drawing, the length of the painting is 9 centimeters. Well, if I'm going from centimeters to inches, it's going to be 9 times 7 equals 63 inches. So that's 63 inches. What is the length of the real painting? The height of the real painting is 28 inches. Now I got to go the other direction. What is the height of the painting in the scale drawing? Well, it's going to be 28 divided by 7, which equals 4 centimeters. Oh, good problem. Okay, scale drawing for an apartment is shown below. In the drawing, 2 centimeters represents 5 meters. Assuming the bedroom is rectangular, find the area of the real bedroom. Okay, well, it says just the real bedroom. So we don't need to worry about the living room. And we're going to do 2x equals 5. So 2 times something. What am I scaling up to? What do I got to multiply that 2 by? So I'm going to divide by 2. And then it's going to be 2.5. So I need to multiply everything times 2.5. So 4 times 2.5 is what? 8, 10. So 4 times 2.5 equals 10. So this is 10 meters. And 6 times 2.5 equals what? 12, and then plus 3 is 15 meters, so 15 meters. And then 10 times 15 meters is 150 square meters. Boom. So the bedroom is 150 square meters. All right. Again, pause is needed, guys. Try these ahead of time, please. And then just check and make sure you're doing it right or get help as needed. Let me move that out of the way. Do a dilation centered at the origin with a scale factor of 1/4. Give the endpoints for both the original and the final figure. Okay, so this is the endpoints of the original figure is 0, 12, and 8, 12, 8, 12. If it's a 1/4, that just means I'm dividing by 4 or multiplying by 1/4. So 0 divided by 4 is 0. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And 12 divided by 4 is 3 again. So it's going to be 0, 3, and 2, 3. That is your 1/4 scale. Which makes sense, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, right? That's 1/4 of it. Okay. And it's 1/4 the distance. 3, 6, 9, 12. Yeah, there we go. Boom. Let's look at the next one, guys. It says, for the figure below, do a dilation centered at the origin with scale factor of 1/2. Then answer the questions. Find the following. The longest side length of the original figure. Well, it's this side length right here, and it goes from 0 to 8 is 8 units. The longest side length of the final figure. Well, first, I am going to mark down all the points here. So this is 0, 6. Right here we have 2, 8. Right here we have 6, 8. Right here we have 8, 6. And I'm just dividing each one by 2. So 0, 6 becomes 0, 3. 2, 8. 2 divided by 2 is going to be 1. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay? 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 8 divided by 2 is still 4. And then 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. And we see our new figure right here. And what's the length of that? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be 4 units. The longest side length of the final figure equals 1/2 times the longest side of the original figure. If the original figure and the final figure are similar, true. Boom. Right there. Okay, let's go on the other side here. Which pairs of figures are congruent? Which pairs are similar? Congruent? No, they're not the same. Similar? Not even close. Let's see. That's a 1 by 2. That's a 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are not congruent, but they are similar. Because 2 over 1 is 2, 4 over 2 is also 2. So they have that side and the 90-degree angles. So they are similar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are congruent. They are also similar. Let's see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Yes, and they're 90 degrees. These have side angle sides similarity. They're not congruent, but they are similar. Oh. Okay. Pentagon A, B, C, D, E, and P, Q, R, S, T are similar. Find the length. If they're similar, their sides are in a ratio to each other. A, B, or we can see BC is in a ratio to QR, right? BC and QR. So that would be 6 over X equals, and we can do almost anything else. AB over PQ. AB is 2 over PQ, which is 3.2. So we're going to multiply that, cross multiply, and we get 2X equals, let's see, that's going to be 18 and 1.2, 19.2. Divide both sides in half. And I want to say that's 9.6. X equals 9.6. Boom. Okay. Find the length of X. I find it easier, guys, if I draw this out in 2 triangles. By the way, this is 4 and this is 8. But that means, so we have one triangle with X and 4. And we have another triangle. What's that 8 plus 4? It's 12 and 7.5. So I'm going to say 12 over 4 equals X over, I'm sorry, equals 7.5. If I started with 12, guys, I start with 7.5. Ooh, don't make that mistake. 7.5 over X. Cross multiply, I get 12X equals 28 and 2 is 30. Divide both sides by 12, and I get that X equals, got to bring my calculator out for this one, guys. 30 divided by 12, 2.5. Oh, good number. A man wants to measure the height of a nearby building, and he places a 10-foot pole, so that's 10 feet, in the shadow of the building, so that the shadow of the pole is exactly covered by the shadow of the building. The total building length of the shadow, the total length of the building shadow, so that total length is 173 feet, and the pole casts a shadow 5.25 feet long. How tall is the building? Round your answer to the nearest foot. Okay, so again, we've got 2 triangles here. We've got 10 and 5.25, and then we've got the building, which is X tall, we don't know, but 173 feet. So I'm going to say 173 divided by 5.25 is equal to X divided by 10. Cross multiply, I get 5.25X equals 1,730. I'm going to divide both sides by that 5.25. Again, I'm moving through this, guys, because I'm assuming you've attempted it. You can pause this as needed. And we get that our X, it says round to the nearest foot, is approximately, let's see, 1730 divided by 5.25, which is 329.52. So I'm going to round up to 330 feet. Boosh, right there. Look at that. We're getting somewhere. I'm going to say the building is approximately 330 feet tall. That's tall. Find the length of x. Okay, again, two triangles here. Got a 9 and a 3. And then I've got a 9 plus 6 is 15 and an x. And I'm just going to say, all right, x over 3 equals 15 over 9. So 9x equals 45. Divide both sides by 9, and x equals 5. Whoa, baby. Look at that. Awesome. And last page, guys. Let's take a look. It's good stuff right here. Talk about similarity here. All right, are these similar? Well, let's find out. Let's see. I would say the shorter side is 4, so 10 goes with 4, so it's 10 over 4 equals 2.5. And 20 over 8 equals 2.5. And they share an angle in between them. This is similar by side, angle, side. Excuse me. Right here, the missing angle is 60, the missing angle is 40. These are not similar or not necessarily similar. Let's see right here. Shortest side is 9, shortest side is 3. 9 over 3 equals 3. Medium side is 12, medium side is 4. 12 over 4 equals 3. And long side is 15, long side is 5. 15 over 5 equals 3. These are similar by side, side, side. Good stuff. D and F are midpoints. Okay, good. So it cuts this half, 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 and half. Of triangle ABC, suppose DF equals 34. 34. And AC equals 36. BC equals 72. BC equals 72. I want to find AB. So AB. Well, I know AB is twice this, right? Because the midpoint theorem told us that, or the mid-segment theorem tells us that this is parallel to this line and exactly half the length. So we're just going to multiply times 2. So 2 times 34 equals 68. Boom. 68. And then we find DE. DE is half of 72. So 72 divided by 2 equals 36. So that's 36. DE, where's DE? 36. And then we want to find BE. BE, again, is half of AB, so it is 34. Yeah. Boom. Isn't that crazy? Works out nice, guys. So, all right, with that said, we got one more. Triangle IJK. IJ is parallel to LM. Given that LI is equal to 9, KL is equal to 15, MJ is equal to 12, find KM. Well, I know 15 over 9 equals X over 12. Cross multiply, I get that 9X equals 12, 180. Divide by 9, and X equals 20. So that means KM is 20. All right, guys, with that said, peace out. Crush that 5.